How to fix Google Chrome not working or not responding. So if you want to fix your Google Chrome is not working or not responding, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your Google Chrome application, right click on it, and then you'll find the option of properties, click on properties. Then go with compatibility section and click on these two options, which is disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and then OK, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to right click on your taskbar and then go with Task Manager. Once you're in your Task Manager, if you're using your Google Chrome, you need to right click on it and then go with End Task. After ending your task, your problem might be fixed. You need to again restart your Chrome, and that's it. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to go with Add or Remove Programs. And here you need to search for Chrome. Once you find Google Chrome, you need to go with uninstall and then again reinstall it. After reinstalling, the problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.